Alright, so Mr. Burns here has a couple bolts out. Getting ready to get the compressor to drop out. Belt's off. Alright, coming along. Grant, we'll see you. Grant came by for his afternoon shop beverage. Yeah, that's how we roll around here. Alright, so there's the clutch connector. That's got to come off. A couple bolts got to come out. Old compressor. Oh, that's pretty tired. I can spin that baby by hand. It's like got nothing. I remember when we charged it, it was getting a little weak, but it wasn't bad. Man, I can spin that baby by hand, and it's like
the what by hand?
Compressor. It's like when you spin one by hand, you can feel it doing its thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing's just kind of freewheeling.
Oh, I can so use the other one, damn it. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's perfect.
Oh, yeah?
No! Get back out of there!
Alright, so you can get that out.
Oh, shit, come on.
Okay, Mr. Burns? You need a nap?
What I did was to bring a car like this in here. Huh?
We're helping out a homie.
Okay, fine.
Come on.
Fine. I'm just kidding, Alan.
You know Allan, like
Alex? Alan?
you know Allan. You've known Allan for 20 years. You've been hammered with him a few times. Back in the day.
I thought you said hammering, not hammered.
Hammered.
What the fuck? Get on there. Hold on.
I'm holding your ratchet. You match it. Are you getting grouchy, Ramsey?
No. So, I'm okay right now.
You okay?
Yeah, for right now.
You okay?
I'm okay.
You okay? He's okay. All right. So Burns is getting this out. I'm just gonna stay here till it comes out, and then
He's gotta go somewhere.
Mr. Burns is gonna continue videoing, and they'll go live tomorrow.
Don't lie to people.
Or he'll forget the video.
No, I'll video.
And I'll be like, damn it.
That's what she said.
I thought that's how you're done yet.
Are you in yet?
Is it in
Are
here?
you in yet? Are you done yet?
Can't feel it is in here.
Hey, you know what you do when they say that? Just look on the butt. And I'm like, it hurts! I
Now
thought it
you
wasn't that
feel
big.
They're completely inappropriate all the time. And you know what? It's okay. You know what? Because if somebody gets offended, good. Good. Be offended. You know why?
Offended, not offender.
Same difference.
No.
Scotty's offender from
Oh, God.
68 Mustang or something like that. Okay. That's cool. Nice shoes, Burnsy. I just noticed.
They were in that one. You took that one? I was like, what the fuck?
Oh yeah, it's front wheel drive. And he's still working on older cars. Okay.
There you go.
Yeah, I just gotta get this connector unplugged. Give me
The clutch.
Yeah, I don't know where the
Clutch trigger?
clip is.
It's kind of
Clutch
a
what?
The trigger wire for the clutch. Compressor clutch.
I guess you can't come down in front, can you?
Alright, so Burnsy's got that. He's going to continue videoing. You got this, sir?
I guess.
Alright, video. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yep. Yeah, somewhere around probably 9:30, 10 o'clock.
Well, I'll be here in the morning before you leave, I think. I'll let you know for sure.
Famous last words.
Well, I don't know if I have to go take cars to school or not.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Famous last words.
So, I can't remember. I was told I was going to do it someday this week. I can't remember if it's Thursday or Friday. Whatever. Figure it out. Alright, Mr. Burns, you're the best.
Sometimes.
Have fun. You want a huck too? Ew! You're supposed to swallow.
Not my job.
Spitters are clean, bitch. Anyway, compressor's out. Mr. Burns, we'll finish this up.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring the car down a little bit. get that line, the main line coming back down, which is
To drain the main vein.
this guy here.
So main man mayonnaise.
And then I'll get the other line ran over here.
Yeah.
Before I put the compressor bolted in, I will bolt the lines up to it and then bloop,
Done deal.
right in.
Nice. All right, we'll have video of that. He'll give me that video. Mañana!